So what's up, guys? What a lovely morning today. Blessed in nature. And what I want to talk about is the topic of evil eye, the eye, negative energy, and risk taking in life. So basically, in my life, I'm already 27. I had encounters with people who are angry, who might I have arise anger within them, but basically their anger is towards me directly. And this is what I call like part of the topic of evil eye, is basically this eye from the outside is looking at you in a way malevolently, like wants to destroy you, just want to inflict pain, or maybe just the primal energy of an animal wanting to eat you, food chain, right? Pyramid. And yeah, maybe you could say that Brian is a bit dramatic because we're in 2024 now, and not so much of negativity is happening around us. But yeah, in my journey, as long as age, day by day, you interact, socialize with other people, or just go out by nature, you can see everything is trying to feed itself, trying to consume itself, and it could also happen in human form. And I've experienced this in places that I've been staying before, and it is about being strong-willed, and also know where your truths are, where your boundaries at, and also as much as possible we try to avoid those kinds of experience, right? I'm not basically a person who've been used to violence, because I know some people are into violence, but in my childhood I wasn't really grown up with that, because I'm grateful that I had been provided a loving home and an environment which doesn't include violence in my perception. But I also saw still, because we're living the world, bro, we're living the world. And this content of this is not just about you trying to scare you about life, but also this is a teaching for me, a wisdom for the new generation to come, that this subconscious, unconscious kind of thinking, malevolent thinking of wanting to hurt someone, is very outdated. And I mean, it's still a choice, but it's up to you if you wanna still resonate with that kind of energy. But I'm not that into that kind of stuff, Maybe I'm just aware, because that's important for me to learn negativity, positivity, and the balance of between. So I'm still okay with seeing that perception, but I no longer resonate with that vibration. And I hope you guys learn from this as well. Every day you encounter people, someone will not like you, someone will be angry at you, someone will want to fight you maybe. But resist evil, stay away from that, be strong, do not be controlled, do not be enslaved, have your own freedom, take control of your life. Love and respect, guys. Take care and peace.